Okay, guys, today we are going to take the Earth and Space CBA for science. So feel free to pause, go back, go forward as much as you need to. Okay, question 1. How might the Grand Canyon look in 1,000 years if the same pattern of erosion and weathering of landforms continues? A. The cliffs will shrink. B. The canyon will fill with lava. C. No changes will take place. D. The canyon will become deeper. Question 2. What could the farmer do to help keep the soil from washing away during a rainstorm? A. Add more dirt to the area. B. Add more vegetation to the area. C. Build a barbed wire fence around the area. D. Do nothing. The land will fix itself. Question 3. Why are river rocks, like rock B above, usually smoother than other rocks? So rock B, river rocks, why are they usually smoother than other rocks? A, they are made of different materials than regular rocks. B, they have been weathered by wind, which makes them smoother. C, they have a smaller mass than regular rocks. Or D, they have been weathered by water, which makes them smoother. Question 4. Which of the following is the best way to test a soil's ability to hold water? A, add soil to a beaker full of water and seeing if the soil sinks. B, pour water through a funnel of soil, seeing how much water drips out into a cup. C, stir soil into a bowl of water and see if the soil disappears. D, mix water with a pile of soil and see if the water changes temperatures. Question 5. A student wants to know if plants can be grown without soil. The student removes a healthy plant from a pot of soil and places the plant in a bowl of water. The plant dies after several days. What is the most likely reason the plant could not live in the water? A, soil contains nutrients that are not found in water. B, the sunlight caused the water to change. C, the clear water let the sun burn the roots of the plant. D, it was a bad plant to begin with. Question 6. Which of the following is best classified as a non-renewable resource? A, grass. B, coal. C, sunlight. D, oxygen. Question 7. Humans depend on which renewable natural resource from the environment? So let me read that question again. Humans depend on which renewable natural resource from the environment? A, roads. B, houses. C, electricity. D, water. Question 8. One day you went hiking with your family and came across the rock in the picture above. You noticed the large crack around the middle of the rock and began talking with your family about it. Which scientific process probably caused the rock above to break down the middle? A, weathering. B, erosion. C, photosynthesis. D, deposition. Question 9. Which scientific process is responsible for moving rocks and sediment from one place to another? A, weathering. B, deposition. C, erosion. D, soil. Question 10. One of the best uses of a soil that contains nutrients from decaying plants and animals or humus is A, filling in holes in a driveway. B, growing healthy plants. C, making clay pots. D, preserving fossils. Okay, you're going to use this map shown for questions 11 and 12. So it says map key, rain, snow, cold front, warm front. Okay, this is Santa Fe, New Mexico. If you were a meteorologist, what kind of weather would you predict Santa Fe, New Mexico will have tomorrow? So if this is today, what do you think Santa Fe, New Mexico will have tomorrow? A, warmer without precipitation. B, warmer with rain. C, colder without precipitation. D, colder with snow. Okay, same map. Let me bring down this. Okay. If you were a meteorologist, what kind of weather would you predict Baton Rouge, Louisiana will have tomorrow? And that's right here. Colder with snow, colder without precipitation, warmer with rain, or warmer without precipitation. So A, colder with snow, B, colder without precipitation, C, warmer with rain, or D, warmer without precipitation. Okay, questions 13 through 15, you're going to use this right here. 13. What time of day would the shadow of the tree be the shortest? A, morning around 8 a.m., B, noon around 12 p.m., C, mid-afternoon around 4 p.m., or D, evening around 6 p.m. The shortest. Okay, same picture. Based on the shadow shown for the tree and the person, where is the sun? In the western sky, directly overhead. So A, western sky, B, directly overhead, C, in the eastern sky, D, behind a cloud. Question 15, same picture. Make sure you're using this, the whole thing. 15, 2 hours from the time this picture was taken, we would expect the tree's shadow to be, so in 2 hours, what would the tree shadow be? A, the same size, B, longer, C, shorter, D, not visible. Question 16. In the United States, an August day is usually hotter than a January day. Why is this true? A, the sun gives off more heat in the summer. B, Earth is closer to the sun in summer and farther away in winter. C, Earth's rotation slows down in the summer and speeds up in the winter. Or D, Earth's north pole tilts toward the sun in summer and away in the winter. Question 17. During different seasons, you see different stars in the night sky. What causes this? A, the sun's rotation. B, the moon's revolution. C, Earth's revolution. D, Earth's rotation. Question 18. Aiden notices a change in the pattern of shadows on Earth as the sun appears to move across the sky. What causes this change? A, Earth's rotation. B, Earth's revolution. C, the moon's revolution. D, Earth's path as it orbits the sun. Question 19 and 20, you're going to use this picture right here. So 1, 2, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Question 19, what process is happening at number 3 in the diagram above? So this is 3 right here. What is happening? A, condensation, B, evaporation, C, precipitation, or D, rainfall. 20, same picture. Question 20, according to the diagram above, what is the main energy source of the water cycle? A, ocean, B, mountain, C, clouds, D, sun. Okay, you are going to use this for questions 21 and 22. Okay, it says May 2015, Sunday through Saturday. Okay, question 21. The phases of the moon follow a regular pattern. How long does it take for the moon to pass through all its phases? A, 24 hours or 1 day. B, approximately 1 week. C, approximately 1 month. D, approximately 1 year for the moon to pass through all its phases. Use this picture, this diagram to help you. Okay, same diagram. This down a little bit. Okay, question 22. Using the calendar above, on what date was there a full moon? A, May 31st. B, May 3rd. C, May 25th. D, May 18th. A full moon. Question 23. Which of these statements is true about a new moon? A, it occurs when the moon is between the earth and the sun. It is virtually invisible in the sky because we can't see the side that is being lit by the sun. B, it is called a new moon because it is always the first moon seen at the beginning of every new month. C, it is the time when the moon is traveling around another planet so we can't see it in the sky. Or D, it happens during the spring season when all of the new leaves are starting to form on the trees. So which of those is true about the new moon? Okay, use this graph to help you. I'm going to pull it down just a little bit. 24. This bar graph shows rainfall at Lake Meredith during 1 week. On which day or days did it rain 6 or more millimeters? Was it A, Monday, B, Tuesday and Thursday, or C, Monday and Saturday, or D, Monday, Friday, and Saturday? Question 25. So you're going to use all of this to help you. So this is soil type A, B, C, and D. The amount of water that passed through the soil and collected in the beaker. So this is water added, soil, water level. Okay, students did an investigation to see which type of soil retained water the best. They set up their investigation like the diagram above using different soil for each investigation. They poured 25 milliliters of water into the funnel that held the soil, recorded how much water passed through the soil after 3 minutes, and then reset their equipment for the next type of soil. Their results are shown in the chart. According to the data, which soil retained water the best? Soil A, soil B, soil C, soil D. So this is soil A, B, C, or D, which retained water the best. Okay, question 26. Which of the following resources would complete this list? Resources: coal, petroleum, which is oil, or 3, this is what you have to figure out. Would it be air, plants, animals, natural gas? Okay, that's the end of the test. If you need to go back, you may do that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.